Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Mazda 2 Neo, stock reference number 4372. This shape runs from the 6th month 2005 through to the 8th month 2007. It has a ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight, radiator grille, left power door mirror, colour coded. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 14-inch steel rims. The left rear has a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage, non-spoiler type. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear, 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror and a right guard which appears to have no damage. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a grey centre console, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with no audio controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.